Arrhenius says those substances which give us hydrogen ion, so we can say this substance is acid. Again. What the Arrhenius said about the acid? Arrhenius said the substance which gives us hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, so that substance would be the acid. For example, cholera. This is the German example A, and this is German example. So when we put this substance in water, it will give us A and H. So due to this H, this substance, we have the acid. Why? Because this substance gives us hydrogen ion. The next real example, this is HCl. Look here. This is HCl. When we put this substance in water, it will give us hydrogen ion plus fluorine ion. So due to this hydrogen ion, we can say this substance is acid. So if we give the name to this substance, this is hydrochloric acid. This is a hydrochloric acid. Why this is acid? Because these substances give us hydrogen ion. The second example, and you put this substance in water, and this is H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So when we pour this substance in water, so it will give us 2 mole hydrogen ion and plus sulfide ion. So due to this hydrogen ion, we should say this substance is acid. Why this substance is acid? Because it gives us hydrogen ion. The third example, this is nitric acid. Arrhenius said the substance which gives us hydrogen ion, that could be the acid. Look at it. This is nitric acid. When we pour this substance in water and will give us hydrogen ion, so that substance could be the acid. Look at it. When we put this substance, so it will give hydrogen ion plus a nitrite ion. NO3 minus. Next example, this is acetic acid. When you pour this substance in water, it will give us acetate ion and hydrogen. This is acetic acid. But when we remove one hydrogen from this acetic acid, so it will become acetate ion. It will become acetate. It will become acetate and because it is negative charge. That's why we can say this is ion. The next example, let's go with the base. Simple. What the Arrhenius says about the base. Arrhenius said about the base, those substances which give us hydroxide ion, mean OH ion. So that substance could be the base. For example, this is NaOH. This is a NaOH. It means this is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. When we put this substance in water, it will give us Na plus OH. It means this substance is base. Why this substance is base? Because here is hydroxyl ion available right now. So that's why we can say this substance is base. The next example, look at the next. For example, cholera. I will make you understand in more details. For example, this is, look at this is beaker. This is a beaker. So if you put this substance here, look at, so this substance would be dissociated. This substance will be dissociated, and it will give us, look at Ibrahim, it will give us sodium ion and plus minus hydroxide ion. Due to this due to this hydroxide ion, this substance is called this substance is called base. Why? Because here is in this beaker OH ion available right now. This OH ion, we can say this substance is base. The next example, the third example, the second example, this is KOH. H means this is potassium hydroxide. This is a this is potassium hydroxide. Look at here, look at potassium hydroxide. When we put this substance in the water, so it will give us OH negative and potassium positive. This is potassium and this is hydroxide ion. So this, due to this hydroxide ion, we can say this potassium hydroxide is base. Got it, my point? The next example about the base. Look at the next example. Look at A L whole thrice Ibrahim. Look at here. There's also hydroxide ion available right now. This substance acid or base? Base. Why this substance? Who will say why this substance are base? OH ion available right now. The next example. Next, the CaOH whole 2. Oh, okay. This substance are acid or base? Base. Why this substance are base? OH ion available right now. The next example there. Yeah. NH4OH mean this is ammonium hydroxide. This is called the ammonium hydroxide. So these substances are acidic or base? Yes. Tell me, this substance acidic or base? Yes. Why this is base? Because there is OH ion available right now. So this OH ion, we should have to say these substances are base. Why? Because here is OH ion available right now. So this is the shortcut, little bit detail about the Arrhenius concept. So if you have any question about this topic, so you can ask the question without doubt. Please ask questions. Any questions? No. This year, yes.